Hi there, this is Natasha. I am a crochet tutor, designer and creator at My Creative Butterfly. I teach crochet through my online courses, classes and patterns. I also have a wide range of crochet products that include jewelry, home accessories, bags and crocheted canvas wall art. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you watched today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hello. So today we are at the venue and from tomorrow we are starting the exhibition. So let's have a look at the team. So ये हैं दौड़ते भागते हाथ में नहीं आते हैं. This is Suraj. He is the most hardworking person on the team. अभी आधा आर्टिस्ट हो गया है हमारे साथ. Most probably exhibition के बाद पूरा आर्टिस्ट हो जाएगा. ये हैं पुष्टि. हेलो. और ये जो पीछे छुपी हुई हैं ये है हमारी को आर्टिस्ट ज्योति. टेप इसको दे दो. पुष्टि खुशी भी कट लगता तो कुछ नहीं करता. So this is the benefit of having a good hard-working team. You can enjoy the snacks while the team does the hard work. All the hard work. This is all for today. If you liked what you watched, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new videos that I put out. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. Bye-bye.